Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the always on display on your iPhone 17. So let's get started. So in order to check the setting out, you're going to go to your setting app, and then from there on, you can go to display and brightness. Once in display and brightness, I'm going to scroll down a little bit further to the section that says always on display. And then if you tap on it, by default, it's probably going to be on for you right here where it says always on display. In order to turn it off, simply click on that toggle, which will turn off the always on display. And if you lock the phone, as you can see here, it's off. If you turn it back on and have this on, as you can see here, it'll always stay on just like that. So that's how you can enable or disable the always on display on your iPhone 17. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.